Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Brawl Stars. So if you want to use PayPal for any in-app purchases on Brawl Stars, so what you can simply do is just add PayPal as your preferred payment method on your Apple ID. So if you open up your Play Store, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just go to your account here. So click on your account. So when you get to your Google account here, so click on payments and subscriptions. So under payments and subscriptions, so go to payment methods, and here, so if you want to use PayPal and if your region supports PayPal, so I don't have the PayPal option here because my region doesn't support PayPal, but what you're going to do under your payment methods, simply select the PayPal option. So for example, I have UPI option instead of PayPal, so I'm going to just select the PayPal option and then just plug in your PayPal credentials and details, and once you're done, then that will be set as your preferred payment method. So once that's been set as your preferred payment method, so now when you make any in-app purchases on Brawl Stars, then that will go through your PayPal, as you have selected that as the main method of payment. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.